Hi guys, Patty from Patty's Crafty Spot, and I'm here to share with you my handmade embellishment book. This is a book that is a swap, and Michelle of Whimsy Chic Papercrafts etc. hosted on Instagram, and it's a group of ladies that get together and do little swaps, and Michelle had asked me to join, so I did, and she partnered me up with Dawn, and I will leave all the information and the links down below to the ladies. And this is a book that I'm about to send out in the mail to her, so I figured I would do a quick video before I mailed it off to its new happy home. So real quick, let's just go over the paper that I used for this. So I used these two from Graphic 45, Once Upon a Springtime and Sweet Sentiments. And these did match up pretty well together, as you'll see in the book. So I used those, and then the dies I used from Crealies. So I used the little leaf die, and this is CLDD56. And I also used the flower die, and this is CLSET55 Flowers 24. And then I also used these little they're gift card slides, they're called, and they actually create really cute pockets, so you'll see that. And I also used on the Edge die, and this is CLOTE35, and it does have the stitch pattern on it. It's just flipped over. So anyway, let's get started with this. So on the front, so it was handmade embellishments. In the picture, the camera is just not doing these flowers justice. These were mulberry flowers that I actually had in my stash. I will post pictures either before or after or both on this book because it's not showing how pretty they are. These ones match the paper perfect, and I wanted to use them on the book. I know it's supposed to be handmade, but I did cheat a little and use the mulberry flowers right here. Although the little stick pins, I did make those. So anyway, this book is thick. It's got a 4-inch spine. And let's get the measurements for you. Overall, it is 6 by 7. And then 4-inch spine, like I said. So this is the little book. So I wanted to make the book multi-purpose. So the idea was putting in handmade embellishments, but I also wanted to make the book functional once the embellishments were out of it. So it also kind of duos as a mini album. So let me show you. So on the front cover here, this is the little pocket slide right here. Opens up like that. And then I have a pocket in the back, and then I created some photo mats, just like I said, so it could be used as a mini album after. And then I had used, actually I forgot to grab those, hold on. I also used the butterfly dies. So I had used CL set 46, and this is the butterfly one. I think that was all the dies. So I made these cute little butterfly dies. So everything is held together with paper clips, so that way it is functional. And then all the things here that are wrapped up in the plastic, the embellishments can come off, and then again they become photo mats, so you can work it 2 ways. And then here is the die that I used right there. And then everything, I did create little photo mats. They're just blank little photo mats, but you can see the pretty edging here. So everyone has that, so I'm not going to take out those, but I'll just show you that. So that's that. I'll go in and put the stuff back in afterwards. So, and then over here, and then these are just some cut out little leaves and stuff from the dies to go with the little flowers. So these are 3-dimensional flowers I made. And again, the little pocket. And then on this side here, these are some envelopes. Super cute little envelopes. And let's see, let me show you real quick. These came out cute. I'm not going to open everything, but definitely right here. So I used the We Are Memory Keepers envelope maker to make these. Cute little envelopes with little note cards. So I made those. and then just some lace trim that I had in my stash. I thought it would be cute to go ahead and throw those in. And then this right here, now these I think are probably my favorite that I made. These are little wooden picture frames, almost like the Polaroid pictures. So I just glued the paper on, cut it out, and then I added these cute little buttons to it. And everything's stuck down with pop dots, but I just love this look that I might do something like this in the future on a cover of this cute. And then over here I made some little dewdrops, and I colored these myself with alcohol inks. There's that. And then over here some cute little tags with little butterflies and stuff. And I used a punch. I had a punch that punched out that shape. So I have that. And then I also used the We Are Memory Keepers punch board to make the cute little bows, and they are on paper clips. There. And on the back side, it's just some leftover little cards, and then some envelopes that I had in my stash as well. And then the little pocket right there. And then some more photo mats in the back. Like I said, so then once it's done being used as the embellishment book, it can be used as a mini album. And then it all fits up just nice. I'll go back and paper clip it all. But anyway, I just wanted to share with you real quick what I made. I will leave you all the links down below to the products I use as well as to the girls' channels. Dawn is, let's say real quick, she's Dawn is, it's Rule of 42 on Instagram, and it's only, what is her channel? It's Only a Dream 97 on YouTube. Anyway, I'll leave all those links down below. And until next time, guys, happy crafting. If you like what you see, give me a thumbs up. Hit the subscribe button. You will see more on this book coming up, so don't even worry. If you're looking for a tutorial, you'll get that soon too. All right, bye, guys. Have a great day.